Okay, Danny, so now that we have things compiled, I just want to run through and make sure, because you were working exercises 1 through 6, just make sure that we've touched all the bases with those exercises so far. So, number 1 says to add the two accessor methods, getAuthor and getTitle, that return the author and title fields as their respective results, which you've done. And it says test your class by creating some instances and calling the methods. Okay, so let's take a look at what that means here. So in main, we did, create an instance here, but the only thing we're testing at this point is print details. So we also want to test getAuthor, right? And let's see, I think I'll just make this be just Suzuki to make life easier here. And let's do a test. So to test, oh, and what did we want to test exactly? I think we wanted to test, getAuthor and getTitle. Okay, so let's see. So the way we can do that is we can use an assert. I'm going to call this, I'm going to name this book Zen, so I know which one I'm looking at. So let's assert Zen dot, what was it we wanted to getAuthor? So the author should be Suzuki if we did it right? I think we need, do we have assert.h declared? Oh yeah, so we have assert.h included. So did we break anything here? Oh, we don't have printing anymore, right? So let's call it Zen. Okay. So this is a test. So this is how we test getAuthor. And what was the other one we needed to test? getTitle. It says create your test by creating some instances. So let's create some instances, not just one. So I'll yeah, okay, so we have the Zen book. We could do the C# book. Beginning C# programming with XNA Game Studio by Channel, right? We could do, so I'll make 3 of them. I like Ken Follett. Let's see, let's do the Pillars of the Earth. That's a good one. All right. So okay. So we're going to test getAuthor. We could see out. The title we want to do, let's do title. So I'm just going to say copy paste. Let's do, oh, I'll call this one, oops. Gotta give this one a different name, don't I? Pillars, okay. So, let's do what? Pillars, get title. And that should be this, right? I do a lot of copying and pasting because I mistype things. It avoids problems with you know, typos. Okay, pillars. So let's say pillars title here we want. Alright. So so that's what we wanted to test for right now, right? Was the title and author. And you could stick in a couple other titles and authors and stuff, but I'm just gonna show you this for now. So now if I run this F5, oh, you know what? Also, I noticed the print details. Let's see. Well, what I would do with the print details is probably put these on different lines. But also remember, you can use like here, you could use print title, right? Should be able to. Is that what you called it? Or do you have print title? Let's see. Oh, maybe I'm jumping ahead again. Sorry. Let's see. So M title, but this could be a little bit cleaner. Well, I won't worry about the print one yet. We'll get to that one. But you know, there's like you should have spaces at least here and here. Oops. All right. Okay, so now we have our tests in place, and like I said, you should probably add a couple more here. But let's try running it. Let's see. That work? Oh, assertion failed. Then get author equals Suzuki. Okay, so let's abort that. So there was a problem. So this author should have been Suzuki. Oh, did it say what the author was? Let's see. Well, let's look at our string book author. Let's just see if it says what the author was, if it got to that next line or not. Suzuki. No, it just stops. It dies right there. Okay, so let's try. I'm just curious to see what it thinks the author is. Author is Zen Mind, Beginner's Mind. Oh, so Maybe I'm putting in the information backwards. Let me see here. In book. Oh yeah, it's author first and then title. So I should have done this. I do these backwards. Okay. So this is why testing is important, because humans are prone to error. Okay, so let's try again here. I think we got it. I'm going to take this off. Okay, cool. Zen author is Suzuki. Pillar's title is that. Alright, so I just need to stick in some handles here, right? One more time, just to make sure it's pretty. Zen author Suzuki. Pillar's title is Zen Mind Beginners. Oh, Pillar's title. Oh, I forgot to change that. Alright. One more time. Alright, cool. And then this is, yeah, this is that whole thing with Zen Mind and stuff. Alright, so so now let me just double check. Test your class. Okay, so now all of number 1 is done. So then we'll check the rest of them in the next video. Start looking at the rest of them.